welcome back to my channel. For the people that doesn't know me, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been here. I'm always like that. I'm always on and off with YouTube because everything is changing a lot lately, and then I've been busy with work, so it's like I have no time to do this. But props for the people that could do this every single day, you know? That's your job, but like I have another job to handle as well. So for today, we're going to be talking about, I bought another Louis Vuitton. I can't believe that. I'm not supposed to be buying a lot since I'm supposed to be saving money, but I splurged again because it's almost near my birthday. It's been like almost a year since I fell in love with Louis Vuitton officially. That's when I finally got my first bag from them, their first handbag, and it was the Speedy. So if you guys wanted me to do a review on my Speedy Bandolier, the My World Tour, the one that's customized, I think if you guys haven't seen that one, it should be up here. I could put a, you know, like a little click right here or a link down below if you guys are really interested on looking at my bag. But it's been officially over a year now, a year and probably like a year and 2 weeks now that my bag's been, and I've been using it every day, like probably every day or at least 5 to 6 times a day for the past whole year. So it's crazy. I haven't alternated, but I did buy another one too as well. I think it's called, I don't even remember what it's called, but I unboxed it from Fashionphile. But for today, we're gonna be surprised. I didn't buy a bag, so that's a good thing. I bought something a little bit cheaper. I've been eyeing on this product for probably since it came out like 5 months ago. So if you guys don't know what it is a wallet and a cosmetic pouch. I'm already ruining it, huh? So I'm wearing a sweater because it is freaking freezing here in Vegas already. Like it's 54 degrees out here and it's kind of sunny. Like it's cold and windy. I don't understand this weather because it doesn't really get cold here in Vegas that much, but when it does get cold, it's fucking cold. So anyways, let's start off. I'm gonna start off with the big one because I feel like the big one is, you know, always shown last, but I don't really care about this one. So this box, like literally this box is super big for what I got for this. Like it's probably like 4 times its size, and I'm like, really, do I really need this big size of a box? But literally it's bigger than my face, but it's crazy. So what I got here from Louis Vuitton, I did purchase this on Fashion Show Mall. So if you haven't been to Fashion Show Mall here in Vegas, it's literally across Wynn Casino. That's an Encore. That's literally like right there west, like, I don't know, Spring Mountain, Las Vegas Boulevard, if you guys want to know about Fashion Show. They do have 2 Louis Vuitton store, or maybe 3 Louis Vuitton store in that mall. I went to the one in Louis Vuitton. Like they have a, you know, separate Louis Vuitton because Neiman Marcus has Louis Vuitton and Saks Avenue has Louis Vuitton. So I just went to the official Louis Vuitton store. So I did purchase, let's see, let me open this with you since it's literally, see, I'm telling you, it's like 3 times the size of this freaking, like, it's not a bag, but it's just a pouch. So maybe you guys can guess what pouch this is. I was really interested in this type of pouch because it got really expensive, because when I saw this the first time, it used to be only $350 before back then, and now it's $375 plus tax. So it is really expensive. I don't have a cosmetic pouch because, like you can see, I wear a lot of makeup, but I never bring a touch-up, and I need to start doing that. I used to bring a touch-up before, but now I haven't. So yeah. So yeah, it's $375. If you guys still want to see this one right there, if it could focus, that's how much it costs. So the thing about this is really cute. They do have 2 Vachetta leathers that has a tab, and it is a 1 canvas. As you can see, it's an upside down LV all the way through, and here is the facing the upside, you know, Louis Vuitton. And this is the PM size, so it is small. I know it's kind of expensive for this thing, $375, like literally almost over $400 with tax. I think that's ridiculous, but you know how Louis Vuitton is. They're gonna increase the price. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get it before they increase another price increase. So this is the model number if you guys are curious about it. I don't know, can you guys see it? Oh god, can you see it? There you go. So yeah, nothing really, you know, Like, it's cute and everything. I could, like, you know, let me know if you guys want me to compare this with my Kirigami, because I do have my Kirigami. Like, it's literally right next to me. This is the bigger size of the Kirigami, so here is the cosmetic pouch. And it's thicker, as you can see. This is not thin. I also have the toiletries, so if you guys want me to do a comparison, let me know. Comment below, please. And yeah, this is the cosmetic pouch. Let me put all these tags in here so I could, you know. Oh, and this one is also made in France. Kind of cool. I don't know where the fucking numbers are. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I got it. So it's, oh god, you can't even see it. It's like right there in that corner right here, if you guys see it. I can't fucking see it. It says 2018, that's for sure. I don't know if it says third. Dude, I can't even see it. That's how, I think it says 40th week of 2018. So yeah, I don't know what's 40th week of 2018, to be honest. Anyway, so this is the cosmetic pouch, and then my favorite of all is the last piece. Let me get to you to that. This is gonna be a quick review, well, quick unboxing, since I only did purchase 2 things. And total of these, all of it, it came out like $911. Like, I spent less than $1,000, so it's not bad. Because usually I would spend over $1,000, but I need to stop doing that because it's almost Christmas and I need to buy people Christmas gifts, seriously. So this is what it is. Let me zoom in for you guys. Don't mind me wearing a sweater because it is freaking freezing here. I'm wearing some janky clothes. So, I'm excited for this one. I've been eyeing this since it came out 5 months ago. And if you guys don't know what it is the Zoe wallet. This shit is so freaking cute. Like, it is so small. Like, look at that. It fits the palm of my hand. Because I have the Gucci Marmont mini, super mini, you know. So I was wondering if what kind of thing that fits in here. I need to compare this with like my Kirigami card size. But yeah, this is really cute, and it does have 4 slots. Let me know, you guys, if you want me to go a depth review on this. This is pretty cute. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You know, I'm kind of scared of this glazing because look how thin this shit is. Do you guys see this? I feel like I'm scared to use this because look at this glazing. Compare this to my wallet, the jean wallet. I need to bring that wallet out. But seriously, this is crazy, like how thin it is. Like, I'm kind of scared to use this too. This is not even made in France. This is a US made. They didn't have the France made, but you know. So far it's cute, but I am so scared to use this shit. Oh my god, look at this. This threading is already coming out. You see, this is what I'm scared of using this wallet, because I feel like this is not worth the $465. This is $465. If you guys want to know the serial number, here it is. I don't know, man. Like, I got literally like 3 weeks to return this if I do not like this, because I feel like I'm not gonna like this. Look how fragile this shit is. Like, what the fuck? And it wrinkles pretty easily, bro. I don't know. I'm probably gonna return this. I don't know, because what do you guys think about this new wallet? Because it is so adorable. Like, it could even fit in the cosmetic pouch. That's how small this shit is. Like, look at this. Let me clip this first before I put it in. Like, look, and it still has space. Like, it's so cute and small. But the thing is, I'm worried about is how well this thing is gonna hold up, and I feel like I don't know, I really like this wallet, but like, I don't know if I really, really love it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you guys let me know if you guys like this type of wallet. It is so cute and everything, but I don't know, man. I'm scared if this, like, it's already wrinkling. Look at this. I haven't even used it yet, and it's already wrinkling. Can you guys see it? Oh, the lighting is so bad. Do you guys see it? It's like wrinkling right here. Like right here specifically. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is wrinkling already. And I don't know, man, if this is gonna be worth it. You know, you spent almost like literally $500 for this wallet, and it's so tiny. I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. So I forgot to put this in the video, so this is gonna be an add-on clip. So this is the new receipt from Louis Vuitton. It is so small compared to the old ones that I purchased from them. Let me just be right back real quick to show you how the difference it is. Okay, I'll be right back. These are from the new Louis Vuitton receipts. Like, look how big these receipts are from Louis Vuitton originally from today's. When I asked the essay that in fashion show, he said that because back then Louis Vuitton used an old-fashioned like the receipt, old-fashioned receipt from them. This is the old one from I purchased last year. Was it last year? Yeah, October 15, 2017. And it's so crazy how the difference between the receipt of this one from the old one too. Like, I don't know, man, it's just different. But then they said this has been like in the 80s and this is the new version. So you know how like back, you know, now we have like this is official receipt. So they have this official receipt now instead of those old-fashioned printing out like those, you know, like back in the 90s and 80s. Now they're actually in modern world where it's like an original receipt. So yeah. I actually don't mind this because this is like the modern way to look at the fashion, you know, not the fashion, but the receipts now. And look at the Louis Vuitton, like look at the Louis Vuitton card now. They're so cheap that they can't print it out for their employees. So this is the guy that helped me out. His name is Ruben. Thank you for helping me out. But yeah, I think that's really strange how cheap they are. Because like my original essay is Teresa, but she hasn't had that stock, the one I wanted. She's the one located near Aria. So this is how the one they had back then last year. I don't know, man. I feel like Louis Vuitton is just cutting off a lot of shit. Or maybe they're trying to save paper, you know? Like, I mean, like, look how much a difference it is. It's like literally 2.5 of savings. Like 1, 2.5 right here. So I think, I mean, props to them for saving trees and stuff, but look at this. All of this that I had, and this is the smallest one I had. It's so freaking crazy. But anyways, yeah, so if you guys wanted to know, that's how the new receipt looks like now. So yes, so if you guys like my video, you know, let me know, like, if you guys want to see if I'm gonna use this for a week, and if I like it, I'll keep it. But if it doesn't stand for a week, yeah, I'm gonna return this because this is really fragile. Like literally, like how do you be fragile with a wallet when you have to stuff shit in it? Like you saw my jean wallet before. I stuff a lot of receipt. I stuff a lot of coins. I don't know if I could do that with this little tiny thing. So we'll see, because I've been eyeing on a small wallet, and I don't think this is really worth $500 to be honest. So maybe I might return this. I'll let you guys know. This one I'm going to keep for sure because it's cute. Alright, you guys, if you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And like I said, I always apologize every video that I haven't been in or making new videos. I do apologize. Like I said, I do have another life that I have to work. And it's getting crazy because it's the end of the year. This is a time where we have to work harder and save a lot of money, since we have to give more, you know, like you have to give gifts to others instead of yourself. Alright, you guys, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!